First, choose your favorite recipe and read the directions carefully. Then peel the potatoes. Weigh the potatoes to make sure that you have the right amount. Cut the onion into chunks. Also cut the potato. Then put them all into the food processor. Put the shredded veggies into a bowl, and make sure the bowl is big enough.
I don't think that bowl is big enough.
Add some flour, and a little bit of more flour. Add salt, and measure it carefully. Crack some eggs, and break the egg open.
Tough shells.
Beat the eggs well. Massage your vegetables thoroughly. If the bowl is too small, then maybe you need to transfer to a bigger bowl, and so do that, and then keep massaging the vegetables. Then add your egg to the veggies. Make sure your pan is preheated to 425 degrees. Add oil to the pan, but not too much oil.
Probably too much oil, right? Get a little bit of moisture in a toothpick. So when the toothpick bubbles, it means the oil is hot enough to cook. Look, there's an awful lot of liquid in this. You should have drained the potatoes. Didn't say to drain it, did it? You're supposed to be reading the recipe.
Go back to the recipe.
Put that.
Peel. What?
Put that down and say what it. Can I help you? Yes, place this drain for 5 minutes. Thank you for draining. Thank you for helping me with this.
I'm sorry.
No,
you didn't
I'm
ask.
sorry.
You didn't
do
ask
it.
me to read it.
Support the people that you're cooking with.
Eggs to put in this now.
We'll put one more egg.
Add extra ingredients if necessary, and mix them in well with the others. Remove the sizzling toothpick. Make a scoop of the veggies and then place it into the hot oil. Repeat this until all of the spots in the pan are full. While the latkes are frying, tidy up and make small talk.
Why do you have to drain potatoes?
Well, because potatoes have a lot of liquid in them. Actually, what you're supposed to try to do is drain the liquid and put the starch back in, but somehow that never works out.
Well, what's the matter if it has a lot of liquid?
Well, they don't cook. They boil.
Peek under the latkes to see if they're golden brown underneath. If they are, flip them over and push them down.
Why are you pushing them down?
I don't really have a good reason.
Turn your latkes if you're not using a regular pan.
Wait, why isn't this like a regular frying pan?
Because a frying pan has a center heat when you put it on the stove. This has a ring built into the bottom. So, and the bottom isn't that good in terms of conducting. It's not a really great frying pan. So you have to turn these, otherwise half of them will be done and half of them won't. I know that only from previous experience.
When the latkes are golden brown on both sides, remove them from the pan. Once the latkes are cool, they're ready to be enjoyed with applesauce and sour cream.
Oh, they have really good latkes.
It's so hot.
It's hot?
It's good.
With which? Sour cream and applesauce.
Thank you. Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah.